I picked up this kit so that I could have a DIY professionally manicured look in minutes. The kit came exactly as described with nail sticks, nail files, glue stickers, glue, and multiple colors of matte coffin press-on nails. I tried this out on my teen daughter first just to get the hang of it before trying it out on myself. The included instructions were super easy to follow. Both my daughter and I had these nails on for over 2 weeks and we could not believe it. So I'm going to give you a few tips that I think were the reason why ours lasted for so long. The first tip is that the kit does come with a nail glue. However, I purchased a more durable nail bond, and I actually tried both the included nail glue and the nail bond on my thumbnails, and they both lasted for a pretty long time, but the more durable nail bond lasted a bit longer. Obviously, if you're in a pinch, the included nail glue does work, but if you want it to last longer, I would go with a stronger glue. Another tip that I would give is to use the nail stickers that are included. Now, I used the nail stickers and the nail glue, and what I did was I applied the nail glue to the actual nail, and I applied the nail glue to the nail sticker. And I honestly think this is what made the nails stay in place for so long. I really couldn't believe it. So once you pick out the nails that match the appropriate size, you just apply them according to the included instructions. And this is what it looks like. Now, it does have a matte finish. So if you don't like the matte finish look, which my daughter didn't, you can just use a top coat and it'll give a nice shiny manicured look. She opted for this nice royal blue, and I chose white. I think the best thing about this kit, in my opinion, is that when you go to remove the nails, you just use nail polish remover. We used 100% acetone. You do not have to soak for very long, and when they come off, the nail glue is slightly sticky, but it's attached to that actual nail glue sticker, and once you pull that off, your nails are completely smooth.